Oh, after today's conversation, this is just poetic justice. That's all this is. You realize that, right?
Sorry for being a fucking wise ass. You think there'd be just enough room to go around?
You think so? But you know, see, that's why a four-way is shorter. But you can grab it like this.
I know, you
Like I
turn
said,
it like this.
it's all about leverage. No, it's like this. You're putting your weight into it.
I'm buying a new jack.
No, the jack seems fine.
Buy a power drill to get all those bolts off in one shot.
The piece fell off. It was right in the front next to the tire where they changed the rod.
What piece though? One
Where
there.
that panel that fell off yesterday. Bottom of the car. So it was right where they put the rod in for the tire.
Yeah, you bent that up when you hit the curb too.
No, it was rusted, he said. Didn't say anything about it was bent.
Fuck you, Spirit.
Can you just go to a gas station and get things plugged?
Yeah, they do it. A lot of gas stations don't have shops anymore. But yeah, you can go to any gas station. There you go. Alright, now pull that tire off.
And take this off.
Yeah, wow, look at that. That's him.
Is that plastic?
Mm-hmm.
Wish the tire wasn't all wet and fucking muddy. You gotta get your hands dirty.
Yeah. Roll that off to the side. Oh boy, that looks like it's gonna roll back out. Yep. That looks like. Oh, it knocks the car, and the whole car went like this and fell forward. That would have just been. Get your tire. Now, very carefully put it on, so you do not want the car to roll. Alright, go to your left a little. There you go. Alright, get one of your nuts on the bottom. Oh, get it on the bottom. Hold it towards the bottom, not the top. The bottom's where it's pulling off. There you go, now reach for a nut. That's that leverage thing again. You better look that word up in the dictionary. Is that you screwing that on the right way?
Yeah.
You see, you should have did a bottom one. You still
No,
didn't get
top
it.
one.
I think it's still gonna fall forward on. You put the bottom one, the weight's not gonna come that way.
Now, how's that gonna reach the ground?
It's bad. You can't drive like this, dude.
I know I can't. I gotta go to the gas station.
I don't even want you driving on it. I'm probably gonna put the tire in my car and we'll go.
So why did you even put this thing on?
Because you can't leave your car up like that, because if it falls, you're screwed.
I was gonna take this fucking thing. Should I just leave them loose like this, or should I tighten them?
No, you gotta tighten them. If they tighten. It looks awfully small, that tire.
Temporary use only.
Oh boy, don't strip them things.
I think you can drive around with this.
Doesn't even look like it's tight on there. You should get some WD-40 and spray them on there. It's in the garage.
Why?
On the work, but you should put some WD-40 on
But
them.
I'm not even driving on it.
Dude, it don't matter. You gotta, those are your same ones you're gonna be using. It has nothing to do with your. Come on, hustle it, because I want to jump in the shower. I don't know, gas station.
Mobile station.
Mobile. Sitco.
They have a station.
And Sitco. How do you run over that? What is he, mom now?
It's a nice one, too. That's for pulling over on shoulders of the road and stuff. That's all that shit does.
Socks already. I got the socks on right now.
Alright. Make sure you go spray it the right direction so you don't hit yourself in the face. Pull away, like the directions say. Spray it in there good. There you go. What the hell are you spraying the valve for? Spray the nuts.
I did.
Spray those other ones you didn't. Yeah, get it right in there. That's it. That shit'll seep right in there. Alright. Now you're ready to go.
Why is that so That's not even touching the ground. How are you supposed to drive on that?
Oh, look at that. It's right on there. This one. So you didn't get enough spray in there. Pull it back and spray some more. That's enough. You know how to spray it.
You can tell the guy never needed a new tire.
See that? Come on, tell me again.
Alright, hold on. One more thing. Okay, see, come on, get them all tight, because you're going to be spinning on that thing, and what you need to do is tighten. You can screw these things. You see them? Look.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. Because then you don't have to tighten it that much.
How's that plastic? I
It's
don't
just
get
a
it.
cap. Doesn't do anything. Oh boy, we can go buy the tire kit too and plug this ourselves. Ping! There you have it.
Why don't we just do that? How tight should I make them?
That's good. You just want to get it on there. Tighten. Remember, go in the opposite direction. Alright, do the other thing. You want it below that. I just say go in the opposite directions. You go in the same exact spot each time. You can't go in the circle pattern. You got to go in the cross pattern. Alright, lower your tire just a bit. So we get it to the ground. Then you got to build it up. You know what? Why don't you go inside, in the backyard and grab a piece of like a log and put it under there. So if you jack that down, then you got to jack it that much further up again. So you might as well just go get a. And the other problem is when we finally put this tire on.
But now I gotta run to the backyard. I was running this jacket.
Okay, lower it.
What would you do?
I already got a piece of wood. When I get my back, I would just put my tire on and be done. Now he's got to jack this up first, and that's another hole. And why do you go the other way? You're going the wrong direction. Why are you going the other direction? You don't get a log that's too big, because then it won't fit under there.
You know we've been out here for 25 minutes and a half.
By the shed. Well, there's slate back there. You get a piece of that slate. That would be good too. Go
By the shed.
You know where the shed is? Come on, I'm going in and taking a shower. Just get it under there, and when I get done, we'll go. Put all your stuff away. WD-40. He's a funny one.
What's that? What, you planting those?
Ah, it was it. What do you get? How big? Doesn't look big enough, but might need two of them. Good? Ah, that's good. Just leave it there now. Alright.
Okay.